Hi everyone, just an update on my Sunburst Tangerine tree. Got this tree in the spring of 2018. It was probably about 3-4 feet tall. And this is October, the beginning of October, and I got a lot of tangerines coming out this year. This is the second year of harvest. First harvest was in 2019 in November. And this tree grew real fast. And I'll show you as I'm ready to harvest. Take all the tangerines off. There's a lot more tangerines than the last harvest. I think the last one was like 13 or 14 tangerines I got up, but this time it's real loaded with tangerines. Got them down here. We had some spider mites, and we used neem oil because that's organic, so we sprayed, and that seemed to do the trick with the spider mites. Neem oil works pretty well. And let's get the other side. And let's see, up there we got some. It's all loaded with tangerines. It's November 12th now, and ready to harvest the tangerines, and I will show you the harvest. Got loads of tangerines on here. Last year was it was about November 11th when I harvested the tangerines last year. Got about, I'd say about 13 or 14 tangerines last year. Looks like way more. Got some nice tangerines here. Yeah, these are ready. Got some over here. A nice big one up there. Got some way up top. This tree got huge. Okay, we pulled 32 of these tangerines off, and there's still a lot more on here. There's about close to 100 tangerines this year. And this is a basket full. I got 32 in here. That's a basket full of tangerines. And we left some on. Some were a little green. We're going to have to get a ladder and get the rest off. What a difference from last year. It was 14. This year's close to 100. Might be more. I didn't count them all up in here. Okay, so that was our tangerine harvest. And here's a full picture of the tangerine trees, the Sunburst, how big it's got. It's gotten real big. Beautiful tree. Beautiful harvest. Yeah, it's gotten real big. I want to thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.